sense, make it make sense. I can't hide a heart in the black tent. You were off the bullshit and the tablets. Under 21, both savage. All these blurry nights feel the same to me. Heart full of hate, no vacancy. Only when you're gonna blame when it's over. Can't look me in my eyes when you're sober. Hey, I'm the one you call when you're feeling low. Running up a check just to help you cope. I just wanna live in the moment. You just wanna fight cause you're lonely. Tryna see a milli then be really up. Rockstar crash in my Bentley truck. You need all my love. You got all my love.
Last night I lost all my patience. You were fucked up, I was wasted. Midsummer madness, I can't take it no more. No more. Fucked up.
Bobbing along. So what I like to do is I like to stamp the brush on, and I just like to make the shape that I want because I find that has the most pigmentation. Then I'm going to be using the color Pacific Dreams, and I'm just going to be blending that right on top of the bobbing along color. Next, I'm going to be using the color Paradise, and I'm going to be blending that right on top of the Pacific Dreams color. Then to cut the crease, I'm going to be using the Micellar Cleansing one from Garnier. Using this makes the concealer less dirty, I guess. Then I'm going to cut my crease with the ColourPop No Filter Concealer. It's in the white color. And I'm just going to fill in the gaps. First, I'm going to be using the color White Lies. And I'm just going to be placing that on my lid, but just on the top half. And I'm going to be using a color called Toucan from the Amazonian palette from Shop Hush, and I'm going to be placing that in the middle. Color Hot Stuff, and I'm going to be placing that on at the end of the cut crease. I cleaned this part with micellar water, and I'm just going back in with the ColourPop concealer, and I'm just filling in the gaps again. I'm using those same colors but in reverse order, and I'm going to make a wing with it. So there's just going to be a gap of white and then a wing.
All their money got me wearing fly. Girl, but I ain't asking. They say they love my ass.